Crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to number 139, 1 in 10 by Jen. It's crazy how awesome this series is and how you guys have responded to it and been sending things in, so thank you so much for keeping it going. What I do is I take scraps that people send in, I set my timer for 10 minutes, and I create an A2 size card, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Anything left over goes in a bin for our crop in the new year. That comes on New Year's Eve, usually around 8 to midnight or so, to give everybody who doesn't go out and party and do that kind of wild stuff anymore, that just wants to have a great time hanging out with friends and being inspired. So we will be using those. Now today has come from Deb Evans. I know she also sent me some sentiments, and Debbie, I'm so sorry I cannot find them. I'm constantly moving stuff around my craft room, and I must have just set it somewhere. So I'm going to just pull out what Debbie sent in today. Cute stuff, and I have everything all ready to go, but so we're just going to take a look at what we have. We've got some adorable little flowers. I would love to know where you got that die from. That is just adorable. I love it. Some cute little gingham ribbon, some little flat back pearls, an awesome little frame, and some purple papers. Look at that. Oh, look at this one. And then she also sent in a plastic bag. So I'm going to have to think about what I can do with that. That is interesting. So let's just get started. 10 minutes, right? I feel challenged by this plastic bag. Like maybe I should put something in here. That might just cover it up, sort of, but then I'd have to cut out a hole. I don't know if I can handle doing that. I don't know if I can cut a hole that perfect. Man, I love this. She embossed this and then inked over the top of it for a resist. This would make a perfect background. Let's go ahead and cut this down. I'm just going to cut it down so it's going to fit on that card front there. Maybe leave a little bit of a white border. That would be nice. I think this is going to work out perfectly. Yes, excellent. All right. We could still use this, although I may have to color this a darker color because that is just not showing up as well. You know what, I can maybe make, if I've got time, another oval to go in there. I can. Let's go ahead and make it out of this purple. Oh wow, look at that color. Well, I'm going to stick to this one because this is the one I originally looked at. If I go this route, then I can get the color on the back side instead of on the front side. So I'm just going to make myself a... Now normally I would cut this with a scissor. Actually, I think I will. Sometimes I use a craft knife, sometimes I use a scissors. Today I think I'll just use a scissor because it's quicker. The craft knife is excellent if you're doing this on the inside of something and you can't like cut off the edge here. You want that circle like right in the middle of a paper. Then using a craft knife is an awesome way to go. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, put that in here, and then we've got those flowers. That would be so cool. Okay, we've got this cute little thing here. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, might be able to put a couple of them in there. I don't know if I want to color this. I almost kind of want that to be white. Yeah, I think I'm just going to keep it real light colored. I'm not going to go ahead and do any coloring of that. just ran out of ATG. Alright, and for this guy I'm just going to use wet glue. Did I say what number this one was? This is number 139. Wow, thank you guys so much for making this such a popular series. If you enjoy it and you feel like you've never seen this before, if this is new to you, go ahead and share it with a friend. I'm going to grab some wilted violet. And I'm just going to give this a little bit of a color around it, just to make it pop a little bit more. There we go. Just a little bit. And then we'll go ahead and glue that down. We have a little bit of this paper. I'm going to transfer this into the middle, into the inside of the card, I mean. And I'm going to have to cut off just a tad to make it fit. Go ahead and do that. Oh, I could have made it go this way. Okay, we'll make it go that way, but I'm going to put this on the side then. Cute. Alright, we'll go this way. And then we've got the 3 little flowers to put around the outside. And we've got these. I'm going to try to use these as a stencil. Hopefully I have enough time to mess around with this. So like, if we're going to put these flowers here, then maybe I want like one coming out here. I need a little pouncer, but you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do this the best I can. So this one's going to go this way. So there's like some little faux foliage kind of coming around there. I think I need one more on this side. I should have used a dauber, but since I have this out, we're just going to go with it. That's cute. And I need a little sentiment. Well, let's just, before we do that, let's go ahead and put these guys on here. That. We're going to use these little teeny tiny guys to put in the middle. I'm going to try to put 3 in each one. I know one of them is going to be short because I don't have enough to do 3 in each one. But so maybe the middle one will just be different. How much time do I have? 2 minutes, okay. Oh, and then I only have 1 left. Okay, I got an idea. We'll go ahead and on that one, we'll just give that one a big pearl. And There we go. Okay, we need a sentiment, I think. Oops, wrong one. Wrong one. I'm just going to leave that for now. Some kind of a sentiment. What do we want to do? Wish I hadn't lost your little sentiment, guys. Oh, I found my sticky sheets. It's always so close to being right in front of my face. Oh yeah, down here they are. All right, let's do a sentiment. Got a lot of happy birthdays. How about... Oh, how about heartfelt thanks? That's really cute. Need a little bit longer of a stamp here. Cute. Oh, and I was going to put this little ribbon on. Let's see if I can make a little tiny bow. Oh, and we're out of time. Shoot, and I was just making that little bow. Okay. Well, we will put that aside, and that is, we're just going to have the color done. Super cute patterning with those gorgeous little flowers, heartfelt thanks, and a little bit of that purple on the inside to bring it all together. It's kind of slipping right off the edge, so I'm just going to cut that little piece off. So I will go ahead and pop my information on the back of this and send it to Deb Evans. So Deb, thank you so much for sending yours in. If you want to be a part of this fun series, go ahead and join us on Quality Crafts on Facebook. And there we will give you the rest of the rules and the address so that you can send yours in. Now that group is commitment free, drama free, so don't worry that you're going to get trapped into having to do things, but there are things to do there. There are swaps and challenges and different kind of things going on in that group that will keep you inspired and busy and connected. So if you feel like you're disconnected or you want a community where it's a feel-good community, come on and join Quality Crafts. We also have an online store, qualitycrafts.com, where you can find the links that will take you wherever you need to be. And as always, you can send me private messages on Facebook. Otherwise, I am Jen at qualitycrafts.com, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.